Hello everyone. Today I will discuss about the layering of perfumes. If you have few perfumes in your hand, like one containing the oud and tobacco, and the other ones like fresh or citrus ones, so you can make different combinations with these. First, you can use the combination of dark plus light. That is, if you are having any dark perfume like tobacco containing tobacco or oud, you can use that perfume on the base. You can spray that for two to three sprays of that perfume, and after that, wait for dry down till half an hour. Then spray the fresh ones like that. If you want the floral one, the lavender or the citrus one, and spray at least double the times use the dark one. This is one method. Another method can be the combination of complex and linear perfumes. What do you mean by complex and linear perfumes? The complex perfumes are those which are made by the niche category perfumers. Complex notes are those which are not easily you can say you cannot identify those ingredients separately. They are layered so beautifully that you cannot individually separate them. And when it comes to the linear one, you can easily identify that it is vanilla or it is chocolate or coffee, anything. So it is best to use the complex perfume of few sprays on your skin. Then later on you can add on any one of the linear fragrances. For example, if you like vanilla, you can add vanilla under that. You can use also the iso-e molecules which are available in the market. Then this will enhance the perfume. First it will start as a vanilla, then after a few hours it will change to the complex perfume which you have applied. Third can be the combination of different notes, like if you can combine the sweet and spicy, that is vanilla and cinnamon, or you can combine the aquatic with the vetiver. These are a few examples, and you can also you can also enhance the perfume by applying on two different places in place of applying it on the one place itself. For example, you can apply the dark perfume on your 2 or 3 space on your neck, and the lighter perfume on your wrist on your whole body, so that it can project easily. So this is the kind of information I wanted to share on the topic of layering. So if you want to know more about perfumes, follow my channel, and good day, and enjoy this video. Thank you.